Okay, anybody that's seen my recent new product drop, which are these beautiful black recycled plastic feathers that are based on a fossilized feather of an Archaeopteryx, which is like the first bird, one of the first birds. You can tell how excited I am about this. I'll just talk really quickly. So the awesome thing with these, the feather that this is based on is was discovered in Germany in 1861, and that was around the time that Charles Darwin released his On the Origin of Species, which was his theory of evolution by natural selection, the concept that selective pressures are put on traits over really long time scales, and that leads to the evolution of things from one thing to another. And so when he proposed this idea, he needed to understand massive time scales, which is like wasn't really a thing until quite close to around when he was doing this, because of, you know, like the Bible, that old nugget. And then also had to propose that there would be animals and plants that are like transition phases between things. So rather than things all being perfect and being exactly adapted for their environment, like 100% done, he proposed this idea that there were things in between that were like half ready, half cooked or whatever. And so the interesting thing with these Archaeopteryx fossils is that they were a transition species. So they backed up his theory, what he was proposing, in that they're dinosaurs because they had teeth instead of beaks, they had tailbones, they had like claws, they were dinosaurs. But then they're also birds because they have feathers and they had wings and they had like flight feathers in a lot of them. And so this was an exact example of what he was proposing that just was like happened to all coincide at the same time. So yay for evolution, yay for biology, yay for dinosaurs and birds because they're the same. Well, all birds are dinosaurs, not all dinosaurs are birds. Okay, thanks, bye.